Being that this is a small shop, it doesn't take any time at all for the dust to start piling up. Just 2 weeks ago, I did a deep cleaning. This shop was spotless, and look at it now. I'm looking for other methods to clean. What I normally do is broom the big stuff and then get the blower out and blow the little stuff. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out how I can make my vacuum work for me in this situation. What I have here is a coupler, 3-inch coupler, that I'm going to use to hook up my vacuum to it. I got some plywood and I got a piece of masonite board. Alright, this is the top plate of the whole vacuum sweeper. And then I have this piece of that's going to fit right there. And I'll glue it into place when the time comes. And what I'd like to do is make a little bit of a curve here. So, I don't know, just seems like the right thing to do. So I'm going to get my bench dogs here. Flexible roller.
This will mess around halfway. And
there we go. That looks about right. Precision is not called for in this particular project, so good enough. Alright, that's really cool. Now I can basically get everything swept up into a near pile, and the vacuum system will suck it up and deal with it appropriately. Now I don't blow it into my driveway as much anymore. Awesome. Good. Finally, after every woodworking project, you should always count your fingers. You end with 10. Good job.
It really seems like you're focusing in on a lot of vacuum projects lately. What's up with that?